What's up, guys? 2018 Gold Rush Mini Helmet Random Divisions number 6. Going live, timestamp 350. Divisions are in, names are in. Both have to be 4 or more. 9 on the divisions. Wherever you line up in the spreadsheet, that's who you're going to get. AFC West on top, NFC West on the bottom. EOQCET is the code for your divisions. And now with the names. Again, 4 or more, 8 times. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Rick Cisco on top, Nick Howe on the bottom. GTO EVO is the code for the names. And there you go. That is who you have. We are done. Timestamp 351. Thanks, guys. Good luck.